Hello friends, today our topic is statement coverage and condition coverage. Let me first explain about statement coverage. It is a type of white box testing technique in which we verify all the statement of the source code should execute at least once. It covers dead code, unused statement, unused branch, missing statement, etc. It will not test false condition in it. Now we have a piece of code available here just to explain the statement coverage. So this is a program. This is a program which will basically calculate the sum of two number, and based on the condition, like if the sum is greater than zero, the statement will be executed, else the other statement will be executed. So there are total 8 number of statement available in this particular piece of code. Now coming to its execution part, so based on the values 4 and 8, so if we pass the values 4 in A and 8 in B, so the sum will become 12 over here, and now the condition will be checked, like if the sum is greater than 0, if the 12 is greater than 0, so the condition will become true, and based on these condition, this print statement will be executed. Next, suppose if the condition will become false, so else part will be executed. So for the value 4 and 8, this one, this first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line, and then this last one will be executed. So there are total 6 number of statement will be executed based on the input values 4 and 8. Now coming to the condition coverage, it is a type of white box testing technique in which we verify all the conditional expression in the program for all the possible outcomes of the condition that should be tested. It is also known as predicate coverage. Now let me explain with the help of this example over here, the piece of code available over here. So in this program, there is two variables declared, and based on these variables, we have one if statement. Inside this, we have two conditional statement available over here. Two condition is there. So these two condition is separated with the help of OR gate. So if you don't have any idea about this OR gate, so in the logic gates we have some gates available, like AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate. So let me explain about AND and OR gate. So when we have AND gate available over here, so these both conditions should be true. So based on these conditions, this particular statement will be executed. If one any of these condition will be false, this else part will be executed. So this is for AND gate. But here we have OR gate available, this double slash. So for this one, if the first condition is true, it will not check the second part. So OR gate says if the first condition is true, it will not check the second part. It will directly execute the first statement inside the if statement. But if the first one is false, it will check the second part of the condition, and then based on that, if the condition is true, this statement inside the if condition will be executed, or if the condition, or if the second condition is false as well, then the else part will be executed. So in the condition coverage, we have to follow, like total how many test case will be required to test that particular piece of code. So here we have three different condition available, like first condition is true, and the second condition will not require to execute it. So in that particular case, the output will be true. In the second case, the first condition will be false. So if the value of a is not greater than 0, so this condition will be false. Then it will check for the second condition. If this condition is true, based on that, the output will be true. So this statement system.out.println will be executed. Next condition will be if the first condition is false, then it will check for the second condition, and if this condition is false as well, then the else part statement will be executed. So these are the three possible test case available for this condition coverage statement.